Hey gang, welcome back to another episode of Talking eBay, and today we're talking about eBay Open 2023. So what is it? It's an event they have, usually in person. Since COVID, it's been online. This year they're doing a hybrid version of online and also in person, but it's a very small amount of locations. But we'll get to that in a minute. So today they had a sneak peek, and I just want to go over this with you and make a video. I wanted to thank everybody who I was talking to on the episode on the eBay today, on the preview, that subscribed to the channel, and also we're giving the giveaway that we have on Talking eBay for the tumbler. We're going to be having some more giveaways as well. So the contest is, once I get to 500 subscribers, we're going to pull out a name in that video. I'm going to leave the video at the end of this specific video that you will enter and just type in "I'm in." So you must subscribe and you must type into this specific video "I'm in" to qualify to win the prize. So once I get to 500 subscribers, I will make sure everyone is subscribed, make sure everyone's qualified, and then I will do a random drawing and ship you out this tumbler for free. So check out the video at the end of this video and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So let's get to the video. So today was all about eBay Open. It was a preview. Talked about a little bit what's happening with the online platform, how to use it, the online sessions. Talked about the speakers, and we're going to go over this video right now for you. So what was it? So eBay Open, this is the actual link. I'll leave this link also in the description of this so you can register for yourself. So if you did not register, definitely register now where it says register right here. Register for that. So what's happening is they have a couple different segments. So on September 26th, eBay Open Studio and in-person event. So that means they have a studio, they have different locations, and also in-person events are happening. And they're all sold out by now, unfortunately. They do sell out very quickly. Then the second part of this is the 27th to 29th, eBay Open. That's a virtual event, so all online. Anybody can see it. Anybody can participate. And the best part of this, guys, that you get free swag. Okay, so that's really cool. So if you want to definitely register, if you have an eBay account, definitely register with that as well, and definitely sign up for the sessions. And also, you do qualify for the free swag, which is cool. So what do they have in this specific session? So if you've never been to an eBay Open, it's really about a lot of information about what they're offering you for what's happening, what's trending, new things, what are they doing, about business ideas, a lot of that kind of stuff, just to get you interested in selling on eBay, and also how to proceed with selling on eBay. So that's what this is all about. And there's experts, there's beginners, there's tutorials, just all kinds of information that you can learn by watching this specific online location. Hopefully next year will be in person. Usually it's in Las Vegas. And if they do that, I'll definitely be going there as well. And I'll be bringing my camera, my phone, everything, and we're getting a document all that. We'll do some live, we'll do some streaming. So definitely subscribe to the channel and you'll be involved with all that. So we'll be doing a lot of fun stuff coming up definitely this year as the fourth quarter starts rolling in, fourth quarter starting. So if you haven't listed your stuff on eBay, now is the time to get it on. Get it on today. Very important. Okay, so fueling your passion, growing your business. That's what this is all about. You can see there's keynotes. There's going to be let-in sessions. There's category breakouts, which means you go into different rooms. Their site has gotten a lot better. When they first did this, there was just crashing. There was issues. It was a mess. Now it's a lot better. So they fixed that. There's a lot of connection. You can do a lot of connecting with people. You can do a lot of social marketing. I did a lot of marketing today, and I received about 10 or 12 new subscribers to the channel, and I thank you all for subscribing to that. It really means a lot to me, and they also entered into the contest, and I do appreciate that. So we have training sessions, then they have celebrations, and all kinds of really cool stuff. So this is what the eBay Open 26 looks like. It's all sold out. It was in Atlanta, Chicago, Philadelphia, and Phoenix, Arizona. These were all small events that you could go to live in person. And they've done this before in the past. And I think next year they're going to have a big one. I'm pretty sure they will. And I think we'll all be there. Hopefully it'll be back in Las Vegas. We love Las Vegas. It's really fun. And it's a great time. But this one here, they have Atlanta, Chicago, Philadelphia, and Phoenix are all sold out. And these are all the times right here. So that's what that's all about. And then they have the seller hosting kickoff parties. Okay, you can find an event. So if someone in your area is putting on a party, you can go. Those are not sold out. So these are just public people putting on things in their area and putting on a hosting a eBay seller kickoff party. So that's what that is. So click on that and you'll find in your specific area if somebody's doing it and what they're doing. All right. So eBay Open Sneak Peek, that was today. from 12 to 1, and I was involved in it, and that's where I found a lot of my new fellow friends. Thank you so much, and they give you some information on what's going to expect and what to do. So definitely click on this link. This gives you all the information, all the dates, what's happening, all the speakers. You can go right down the line here. These are all the different people. As you can see, there's tons and tons of people involved, tons of speakers. There's business people, there's professionals, there's eBay executives, all kinds of information. So that's really good. Here's the sellers. These are seller speakers. These are actually sellers right here. These are people who actually sell on eBay. They give you their experience. They'll tell you their story to help motivate you and give you and guide you on your selling journey. And that's what these are. And there's a bunch of people here, and some of them are on today, and they were talking. It was really cool and inspiring and motivating. And that's what eBay is about. eBay is about the community for inspiring and motivating to keep you interested. And that's what I love about the eBay community that a lot of communities don't have, okay, is that they have the connection. You know, reach out to me, leave me a message, leave me a comment. I'll get right back to you. I'll help you as much as I possibly can. That's what this is about. eBay is a very specific community that really helps other people. That's important. And then they have the sponsors. Of course, they have the list perfectly. All these different sponsors here on their main page. So let's just go back up to the top real quick here. So you can see eBay Open Studio, kickoff parties, all the things we just went over, all the sponsors. So this main page, I want to leave a link down below in the actual description for this specific page. So you can see all that right on the spot. So that's what this is all about. It's really super easy, super simple, and you really can't go wrong for definitely fueling your passion for selling on eBay. So if you're new to eBay, definitely join us. Definitely watch this eBay Open 2023. It's super important. They have a lot of cool things. I was going to give I captured a few screenshots for you. I'm just going to go over that with you right now. I'm going to show you a little bit what they talked about. I'm going to show you a little bit about the swag they're going to be offering. I'm going to show you some photos. I took some snapshots of that as well. So let's get to that right now. Hey, if you enjoy my content, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. That's the only payment I do ask from you. And I really do appreciate that. It means a lot to me. Help me out. I'll help you out. My journey is your success. And hopefully you can ask me anything you need to do. And if you're new to eBay, don't be afraid. What you have to do is list something. Don't be afraid to list. It's super important and really, really helpful. And it'll help you some income. And I have tons of videos on how to search for that. And we're doing a big video another week or so on TerraPeak, more advanced and really deep dive into TerraPeak. And we're going to get into doing that as well. So we're going to put that video together and really give you some good education and some good information to teach you how to list things, how to find things, and how to sell things. So that's super important. Just today I sold, if you know, watched my video, I sold a clock I picked up last week and a half ago. I paid $6 for and sold it for $125. So yes, these things can be done. It is out there. Not everybody knows everything. Remember that. So don't be afraid to go into estate sales, yard sales, thrift stores. It doesn't really matter. Don't be afraid to do that. So let's go with this cutaway. I'm just going to show you what I have. Let's go. Okay, so what you see here is the seller-hosted watch parties. You can see his little location, all the little dots, and these are all the different areas that they have. Like I said, these are all the watch parties all over the country, and this is just a little list of them. And like I said before, if you go ahead and look at that finder, you might find some other ones as well. But this is the updated map as of today, I believe. They have some in California, Oregon, Utah, Colorado, Texas, Florida, a couple of actually 3 in Florida. Wow. So quite a few. So definitely check that out. This is just a small sampling of it. The top ones are sold out and the bottom ones are not sold out. So you can look into that and find the area. Maybe there's something near you for the actual eBay watch party. All right, so that's what that is. The next thing is the networking session. So these are the different ones that they have available on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Professional electronics. You can see these are all the different sessions that you can actually go into and watch. Okay, everyone's going to have different sessions. You can see there's a ton of different things to look at. Selling at eBay Motors, which is really important. Thursday has product photography. If you're not sure how to do photography, they'll talk about that. Friday have different things as well. There's meetups. There's all kinds of groups. There's just so many things happening in this networking session. So this is really nice, really important. There's so much going on with this. It's definitely a lot more than it has been in the past. So they're really doing a lot better, and their site hopefully won't crash. Last year they had some crashes, some issues. So I think this year could be better. Hopefully it'll work out, and it's just rocking and rolling. See what else they have. So the expo hall. The expo hall, basically the people who paid, advertised to be with eBay, and this is some of the things that eBay has. So eBay Canada, eBay Charity, eBay Community. These are some of the booths. and eBay returns, all different things, people you can talk to, things that you can socialize with and get some information about. eBay growth advisors. These are all people that can help you. Listing tools, eBay aids, all kinds of different things. So they have channel advisor. These are all eBay booth partners as well. You can see all the different people here. Vendu, Boss Seller Remix, List Perfectly, which is very, very cool, interesting. They list perfectly that you can list on multiple platforms, and they'll list it for you automatically. And then also, what I understand now, they'll actually remove it for you, which is one of the big pet peeves I had before. So you don't have to watch it. So that's something else you can look into as well. Of course, channel advisor and all kinds of different things. So there's so much here. This is almost like a live event, I have to tell you. It's really interesting. If they can incorporate this with an actual real life big event, that would be amazing. Basically running two events at the same time. That would be awesome. That way people can really be on online and also live, do cutaways, right? And see the party, see what's happening, and really build a big hype. That's what they really need. That's the next step in my opinion. All right, let's see one more thing. Okay, and the most important thing is eBay swag. So they showed some images of some swag. So day 1, day 2, and day 3. Okay, so day 1 is like all kinds of shipping supplies, tape measure, things like that. Day 2 is some eBay tote bags, and these are like they say like the IKEA bag, really big IKEA bag here. Then you have this one over here. And day 3 is really like a pom pom, which is kind of cool, and an eBay scarf. So these things you can win. So definitely follow along, go all 3 days. They'll have sessions at the end. There's all kinds of things you can play. There's games. There's you take some selfies. You can do it. We interact with the board. So eBay is that type of community. It's really a social connection between sellers and buyers and community. And eBay is a community. I can't emphasize. I can't even say it. I'm so tired. Sorry. Emphasize that enough. It is a huge community with a lot of help, and that's why I do this channel, so I can help you guys, because not everybody knows how to handle eBay, and everyone's kind of afraid or nervous about it, but there's nothing to be afraid about it and nothing to be nervous about it. Nothing you can do wrong. eBay will help you. They will back you, and I'm here to help you as well. So I appreciate your time as always. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget that entry with this video coming up right now, and enter for the contest for that free tumbler. I'm doing that. Once I hit 500 subscribers, you must subscribe and you must hit I'm in, say I'm in as a comment in that. That way I know you're in it, and that's how I'm going to do the drawing. All right, guys, I appreciate it. I don't want to make it too long. I just want to make it exciting and make it fun. And I'll do a recap as well when it's over, and I'll give you my opinion on how it went. I appreciate it as always, and I'll see you at the next video. And I always appreciate all of you, so definitely subscribe and also leave some comments for this video. Tell me if you enjoyed this. I really would appreciate that. That means a lot to me. All right, guys, see you at the next one.